Are you a business owner for a local brand people love and are loyal to? Are you frustrated with online reviews harming your hard-earned credibility? It's easier for a customer to leave a review for a whole outlined world to see. But these reviews are not always positive. Even one negative post left unanswered can drastically decrease your sales and badly affect your long-term bottom line. You need a professional to monitor and manage all the online platform and media channels to improve and maintain the online reputation. That's where Online Reputation Guru can help. With a team of experienced online reputation management professionals, we are confident to turn your online reputation to positive from negative using our years of experience. We work persistently to monitor online reputation, repair, improve, and solve all online reputation management problems so that you can be proud of your brand's online presence and reputation. A good online reputation eventually attracts new customers to your business. Contact us today and we can make that happen.